to the channel, Cody.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Oh, dropping off some food. I'm working for Sonic now.
I know it. That's
Sonic delivery.
You give me some food, Cody?
Yeah.
Dude, you got some Sonic for Ken.
Yeah.
Ken's got food. All right, guys. So here's the thing. We are back at the shop, and it is time. Okay. And I know everybody's like, "Are you ever going to start this car?" Yes. We're going to start this car. There is so much little stuff, and there's so much other things that we've got going on in our life that is, it's just making this a complete bear. But we are there, and it's going to happen. Got the caliper brackets on, axles all sealed up, brake lines. Ken, what are you doing? What is that thing?
And then you got in your hand?
But I got the green.
I got
the
orange. I like orange.
Yeah, I like the orange. You took the last one though, so I'm stuck with
No,
the green.
there's one more in it.
Ken, you took the last one.
Huh? Oh, he did.
Oh.
What?
Cody, what color popsicle did you get?
Pink?
Oh, you got the pink popsicle.
'Cause I'm a man.
All right, so we've got pink, green, orange,
We're all having a gay time.
and done. So current situation, trying to figure out where we're going to put this battery box at. Ken, how do you feel about that? Thinking about it right here. We had it right there, and I don't know. Don't like it right there. If we put it right here, obviously the cables are going to be on the back side. You're not going to see those. Right. What do you think, Dover?
I don't know. Might be alright.
But yeah, so up there I think it'd be all right. Be kind of out of the way a little bit, and I'd still have all this area. But hey, there's the old cluster. So get that out, and then we don't have to run the wires all the way down the corner there. Be good to go. Alex, are you doing some trimming or what?
Cut at the wrong end.
Oh, no. Because these are really expensive.
Oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that.
For God's sake, no!
Don't do that.
It's not kinked up. It's actually pretty good. It tries to kink a little right there. These are really awkward angles.
This is for a Mustang, but we put it on another Mustang.
Which this one actually ran really well.
Yeah, but the ones you get for LMR don't.
No.
They buckle, they kink and everything else.
Like totally flat.
Yeah,
Like
I
they
got
totally kink all the way down.
Yeah, I got one. I know.
Unreal. Absolutely dig. Power steering reservoir. That looks great. Winning. Ken, hey, where are you going, Ken?
I'm using this.
No, that's for my
I
car.
don't think it works anyway on my car.
Yes, it would.
I don't think it works.
That's mine. That goes on my car.
I'm gonna put that on the wife's car.
No, you don't need that.
I'm gonna put that on your wife's car.
That goes on my wife's car. No, that goes on my car. See, now you've got me confused.
11 to 17?
That's right, exactly.
I don't think it works.
All right, so we got the oil separator, and Ken saw it in the satin, and he wanted it, but unfortunately for Ken, he can't have it because it goes on my car.
That little clip thing off.
Yeah, you got that shit
That
right.
cut off.
JLT though.
What's that?
Listen to me.
No,
No, I'm talking about park light.
Okay, guys, the little stuff rolls on here. Got the battery box in, kind of, sort of, hooking all that up, and that's gonna be good. Got some of the wires ran through there and hooked up, and of course you saw we got the oil separator on, got the cold air intake. Hi, Ken. And excuse me, Ken. Cold air on, mass air on, and hi, Ken. That's what's. Oh, we got the other side PCV line on.
He does it to me all the time.
And Ken, we're walking through the car here, so just
I will talk when I want to.
inside voice, Ken. But yeah, guys, absolutely nothing to see here whatsoever. Just a lot of little BS. But very shortly, we're going to make a little noise, so stay with me. so. Dover's got the fuel line made. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. And prick your fingers. Did you prick your finger too much?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, that'd be it.
It's part of it, man.
Part of the game. Lined up. Yeah, you can actually get the dipstick out. There's oil in it too, isn't there?
Looks neat.
Sweet.
It is full, huh?
Probably got a lot of it when we put the Mustang cans in it.
Yeah, I poured some in when I left.
You got it out of freeze. I got
Alright.
some in the truck.
Fuel line hooked up.
No.
Right down there. So we still got a long way to go.
We got a long way to go, man.
What we got left here? Fuel pump,
I mean, we ain't wired none of the damn
key on.
stuff in here. Yeah, you got your key on, all that stuff. Fuel, we got the power to the distribution block. We can come from the battery and hook to this.
It's not looking good, ladies and germs. We got a long way to go yet.
I mean, it's a lot of little things.
Yeah. Take a look here. We got this. These got to get hooked up. Of course, there's your OBD2. And don't have any of the gauges hooked up. I mean, that's not a big deal. That's just a matter of making the connections right there. But very, 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 very close. Guys, we're going to quit for tonight. It's been a long day. And we don't want to rush it. There's no reason to rush it.
Patience, dog.
There's
Patience.
no reason to rush it. There's just not. So, got a ton of the stuff done. And again, you can't see a lot of the stuff that we got done. But we were kind of realizing that we still had quite a bit of stuff over here, you know, for the key on and all that we had to get done. We didn't have power and ground to the fuel pump up to the distribution block. I mean, there was just a lot of little things, and you know, we all kind of feel like we're rushing this, you know, because everybody wants to start it. And you know what? There's no reason for that. There's just no reason for that. Got the harness made up for the fuel pump, power and ground. You know, we're a little low on wire, you know, so we're gonna need some wire, but part of it. It's just part of it. So, well, I'm gonna have to push you off for another one, I promise. But it'll be right, 100%. So it's me. I can't even talk today. We just need to go to bed or like go take a nap, watch TV or something, right? It's been a long day. It's been a long day. All right, guys. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll just be here, right here.